Good day guys, this is Arno from Airdown. Let's fit some spotties. So I bought this truck lamps at AutoZone, my local store, and yeah, it wasn't that expensive. It was about 1,100 Rand for the set. So it's obviously not, probably, I don't know, that good, but at least it's spots. So there's all the details. If you want to know more about that, you can just pause and have a look at that. And it's about 36 watt each. Maybe it does the job, I don't know. But so I was actually thinking, maybe just to be a bit different, maybe one spotty over there, and then maybe the other one just in front of the headlight. So to do that, we should measure between this pipe and this pipe to get the center, and then from the center to this pipe, the center, and exactly the same to that side. Get one over there and fit the other one over there. Let's drill. Okay, to drill in that bumper, I've got a very small steel bit over there to make the pilot holes. Then a little bit bigger, and then the actual size. So that will work. I think that will do the job perfectly. So let's have a look at this. But first, let's measure. What do you reckon? This is actually thick steel, eh? But I'm through. Oh, not really. I have to do the thicker bits now. Okay, so with these spotlights, we get these stainless steel brackets, stainless steel bolts, and all the bells and whistles. So yeah, the two brackets are on. And now I'm gonna fit the spotties. Look at that. The spotties are on. How does that look like, eh? So a few minutes ago my neighbor came by, and he's an absolute electric fanatic. And he knows everything about 12 volt, 24 volt and up. House electricity, doesn't matter. That's what he does for a living. So I obviously asked him, how do I need to put this loom in? Because I don't have a clue. I don't know what needs to go where. And so he came and he helped me and showed me where I must actually put all of this stuff in. So let me show you how it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the spotlights wires. Each wire just hanging there, and then each wire that comes from the loom I bought at 4x4 Direct locally. So there's one at the bottom there, it's falling down, doesn't matter, but it comes up underneath this plastic bracket here, and then it goes just behind this water bottle for the windscreen, and then it goes down there, and then this is where the relay are. So I'm just gonna put the relay somewhere around there, and then we've got this red wire that will go to the brights, there, and then this is the whole loom that's going now behind the cab rail to the driver's side and connect to a switch to put off the spotlights if you need to. So the spotties are on. So at the back here, there's a few things that we need to tidy up here, but there's all the wires, and the whole loom is tucked up in here. And then this is where the relay are. And I know this is a mess, but this is where the dual battery system is going to be located later on. So guys, at the end of this video, I'll give you a tip. So stay tuned for that. Right guys, the spotties. So this is normal headlights. So then the mist lights, and then the spotlights. So it does do a really good job in my opinion. So for everything you can do on your car yourself, do it yourself, because if you're out in the bush, you know exactly where to look for problems, if there is any.